right, here we are the night before.
We were prepping this brisket for our very first cook on our newest smoker.
We're gonna start off by trimming the fat off this brisket, and then we're gonna salt it up and fire it up in the morning.
All right, let's see how it goes.
See here, my dad Steve, he's the king of the grill.
Shit.
You'll find out later in the video why. All right, the brisket's been on for about 3 hours now, so we're gonna take a look, see how it's doing. All right, here's our impression after the first 3 hours of cooking on the smoker.
And one thing we noticed right away cooking on this 3/8" thick smoker was that we're using a lot less wood, and it's easier to manage the fire, keep it under control. We're bouncing between about 240 to 270 or so. It's pretty easy to maintain that temperature range right there, and we're using a lot less wood. So that's a big plus for this smoker. So after 3 hours, so far so good. We'll see how it goes the rest of the way.
We're gonna throw some ribs on, and we're excited to try out how our rib rack works.
Hey, here's a pro tip. Save some of your trimmings, throw them on the fire, imparts a little extra flavor. Look at that. Smells good. All right, we're gonna wrap this up in a little butcher paper here. I've got some tallow spread out on the paper right now. We'll plop that right on the tallow. Move this out of the way for a second. Put a little more tallow right up in here. Oop. This will give it a little extra flavorant. And then let's put our probe back in there. We're going to get it off at about 203. Getting ready to pull the ribs off, wrap them up in some tin foil and stick them off for about another hour. We're going to add a little sauce to this tin foil. How about a little mango chili? Get a little liquid in there. It's kind of steamy. You don't want too much. It might be just enough. And then, whoa, everything tastes better with some bourbon. Right? Whoa, hey, there you go. Okay, mix it all up. Get it in there. We're gonna get it all over those ribs. They're gonna go face down on this. Oh yeah. Good. We'll see you in a little bit. So with this. Here we go, pulling off the ribs. See what's going down with these bad boys. Just pulled the ribs off after about 6 hours, so we're gonna check and see how they look. What do you think? Look good. They're tender, they're juicy. Did the dog just fart? Damn. You didn't even get a bite.
All right, you guys, we went from sun up to sundown. Takes some patience to cook a good brisket, and we're gonna take it off, see how it turned out.
Hey, 12 hours, let's see how it goes. Ooh. This baby just hit 202 on the thermometer. And just go straight for this side. Wow. Holy mackerel. Sure looks good. Wow, that's fantastic. We're back in the garage after another successful barbecue build.
Make sure you guys check out the video on how we built this thing, and stay tuned because we got another smoker build coming up right here.
Thanks for watching. Cheers. We'll see you next time.